everyone. Today is June 21st. It's a Monday. We're up bright and early. It is now 6:50 in the morning, and we slept 12 hours, so there's no reason for us to continue sleeping. 59 degrees outside. We're in Williams, Arizona, which is 37 miles west of Flagstaff, Arizona. This is actually one of the places where you go to see the Grand Canyon. We have a RV reservation for this afternoon, but we're going to go to, say good morning, Nancy.
Yeah.
So good morning?
Yes, yeah.
So we got a chip on our windshield, so we're going to go to Flagstaff this morning, see if we can get that patched. And I want to see if we can address the air conditioner issue, which is totally non-functional. We left the Las Vegas area and came here. This is BLM land. We're almost out of it. I want to take a video before we left, but I forgot. So just to give you a brief look at where we stayed last night. It's amongst the trees, and they have these pull-in spaces, which are actually quite roomy and a lot more privacy than you do in an RV park. I mean, you're essentially at least 50 meters away from the next person. It's quiet, nobody bothers you. It was just too hot for us, and we were exhausted yesterday, so we just slept. We hung on until about 7 o'clock, and then we decided to just go to bed. We slept really well, cooled down to 60 degrees, and we felt really, really comfortable. So it was good, but we got to get this air conditioning issue fixed, if at all possible, and the chip in our windshield. So that's where we're headed this morning. We're going to have to come back here because our RV reservation is for this town. There's an RV park here, and I have no idea where it is, but it's not far from where we're at now. So till the next time, we may chime in on our road to Flagstaff, or while we are at Flagstaff, Arizona. Estoy Banidin. So we're sitting at Starbucks in Flagstaff, Arizona. It is now 8 minutes before 9. The temperature is 79 degrees. We stopped at a Starbucks to have a healthy breakfast. It's a spinach cheese wrap. One for her, one for me. This is what it looks like as we sit here outside. It's a beautiful morning in Arizona. Apparently the air conditioner on my RV cannot be repaired. It can only be replaced. So therefore, we're gonna have to take a rain check on that. So we're on our way back to Williams, Arizona, which will be our staging ground for our Grand Canyon tour tomorrow. There really isn't much to do, so there is a drive-through safari type. It's called Bearville.
Bearville?
So we're going to try that, make the day go by, spend a couple hours there maybe. So we'll bring the GoPro along with us and give you a glimpse of what we're looking at. But it's a gorgeous day in Arizona. Currently the temperature is only 84 degrees, which is a blessing, because yesterday morning at this time it was over 104 in southwest Nevada. So we'll chime in again. So it's called Bearizona, not Bearville.
Turn right, then the destination is on your right.
Well, look at this, Bearizona. Okay.
Oh,
Bearizona. Okay. Bearizona.
Turn left, then turn left.
Bearizona, here we come. Bearizona. All right. Looks like one lane open. So we'll shut this off until we get through.
Fix your windshield. Did you fix it or to replace it?
No, they just fixed it. Here's the Big Bear. We saw no rams. We saw no bighorn rams, but we're going into the bear area now. So,
what was this? It's a wild preserve or some kind of?
No, it's like a zoo. It's like a zoo, Basil.
Okay.
Like
All right, man. Have a good time.
all right, bro.
Take care, man.
What's going on now?
So let's see if we can spot a bear somewhere. So Nancy spotted him laying down. He's right there laying down sleeping. Pretty good sized black bear. Pretty good sized black bear. There, Nancy's in her domain right there. There he is. Well, hello there.
Hello there.
Okay, let's go see some more. So there's crows. We didn't come to see crows though. We came to see bears. We're about to come up on a reindeer. See that there to the left? The car in front of us is looking at it. Looks like a pretty good sized buck. We're going to pull up to it here and film it for everyone.
Oh.
Isn't it beautiful, Nancy?
Oh, look at this.
Oh,
Reindeer.
there's a male and a female. Well, hello there, Fred
Hello there.
and Martha. Oh, there's another buck in the back. They are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. So they're masticating. So they basically grazed earlier, and now they're chewing it for true digestion. Very interesting. Okay. So we'll move on ahead and we'll chime back in as necessary. There's another deer. Grazing. Doesn't know what to make of us. Here's a very interesting sign. Very interesting sign. Tundra wolf. So maybe we can see one. We'll chime in here in a minute if we spot one. There it is. Tundra wolf. Resting. It's beautiful.
Yes, it's beautiful. Yes, it does. Yeah.
So we are coming up on the buffaloes. The American bison and then the white American bison. They're all together today. So they're off to the right.
They're right there. They're right there.
And there's a whole bunch in front of us. So we're just gonna enjoy the scenery. They're munching away.
Oh, they have horns right there.
Yes. Oh yes.
Horns right there.
Yes. The males have horns. Yes, they're coming right in front of us. Well, hello there.
Hello there.
There's a baby.
Oh, look at the babies.
We're going to go down. There's a baby right here. There's a baby right there. This is up close and personal.
Oh, look at this.
Pretty amazing. There he is. And there's a younger one and an older one. And there's a older male over there. So we are now in the walkthrough area of Bearizona. And there is Mrs. Crisos. Hi.
Hi.
So they say there's baby grizzly bear cubs and some other animals, rescue animals here. So we'll walk through and share with everyone our visit.
Okay.
Well, there it looks like the natives are waiting for us. No, Nancy, we're not going in. We're not going in this tourist trap. That's what this is. Well, there's your bear, Emmanuel. There he is, up close and personal. Up close and personal. There he is, and that's a cub. Can only imagine how big the parents get.
Look, there is the biggest bear.
Pretty cool.
Actually, it's a baby bear.
Very cool. Very cool. So we found this little diner. We're going to stop and have some lunch and see what the deal is. What do you think, Nancy? You can see their political persuasion here. It looks like an old-time diner, the kind that we've seen all over the United States. This happens to be Williams, Arizona. A very colorful place. Very cool. Just another piece of Americana. Witness on our trip. We just had lunch, and we noticed the Route 66 sign in the diner. We came out here, and Nancy noticed the Route 66 sign there. And when you looked on the map, it appears that Williams, Arizona is actually a stop along Route 66. So here we are. It's beautiful. The temperature outside is very comfortable, cozy, 80-some degrees. And we're chilling. What do you think, Nancy? Want to get our picture taken over there?
Yes.
We'll do a couple of selfies. Okay.
Yes.